my opinion has always been that, hey, AI is a great tool, but it's a tool. And when I see people saying, hey, 99% of our code is written by AI, I literally get angry. Because those same people, I pretty much guarantee that 100% of their code is written by compilers. But they never say that, right? It's exactly the same issue. I grew up writing machine code, and when I say machine code, I don't mean assembly language. I mean the numbers. And I mean, it leaves an imprint on you. I still remember LDA is hex A9 on the 6502, right?
Correct.
And it took me a while to understand that writing down the numbers and calculating offsets for branches is kind of stupid. And people had come up with this tool called an assembler. And then later on, I figured out compilers are good too. And these days, I'm figuring out AI tools are good too. I'm still writing the code. I'm just not doing it the same way I did when I was basically typing in numbers in data statements. And I'm personally 100% convinced that AI is changing programming, but it's not changing the fundamentals. Exactly the same way that you all use compilers to actually generate your code, you will all use, well, not maybe all of you, but a lot of people will use AI to generate the code that the compilers use to generate the code that the assemblers then use to generate the machine code. This is revolutionary in the same sense that we've seen revolutions before. And AI will increase your productivity by a factor of 10, and I claim that compilers increase your productivity by a factor of 1,000. So AI is great, but AI is not changing programming. It may be changing other areas, don't get me wrong, but I'm a programmer, so I don't care. So I think even when you use AI for coding, if you do a project that you actually maintain long-term, you need to understand not just your prompts, but you need to understand the end result too, because that's the only way you can maintain it long-term. And it's easy enough, and we see that all the time, where you basically generate a new project, and it's a throwaway project, and it's a one time and it's over. And AI is great for that, and we call it vibe coding. But if you want to make something serious, you're going to have to maintain it for 35 years or something. And at that point, it's a lot more than just writing the prompts to make somebody else generate the code.